Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Bare Hands Dry Gloss Manicure Kit is probably one of the most innovative and convenient ways to achieve a salon-quality manicure right at home, offering a unique approach to nail care that bypasses traditional wet polish and lengthy drying times, making it an ideal solution for busy individuals seeking a quick yet stunning nail transformation without the fuss. Number 5. TsMADDTs Professional Manicure Tools Kit. Introducing our professional nail file and buffer set. This kit includes 12 pieces, featuring both files and buffer blocks with 100-180 grit for all your nail needs. Crafted from high-quality EVC and emery board materials, these tools are designed for durability. The files and buffers are perfectly sized for comfortable and effective use on natural and artificial nails. Achieve salon-quality results at home. The 100 grit side files down hard nails and removes glue, while the 180 grit side refines and smooths your nail edges to perfection. These tools work quickly and efficiently, allowing you to shape acrylics, remove gel, or perfect natural nails. Save time and money by doing your own manicures and pedicures. Our colorful buffer blocks are made from high elastic sponge for a gentle yet effective polish. They smooth and shine your nails without causing damage, available in a variety of fun colors. Whether you have natural nails, acrylics, or false nails, this kit is suitable for everyone. It's the perfect manicure set for girls and women who love nail art and care. What we like? This set offers a generous 12 pieces, ensuring you have all the tools for shaping and smoothing. Its double-sided grit provides versatility for different nail needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive and cost-effective solution for at-home manicures that mimic salon results, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to get a salon-quality manicure at home. The gloss finish is beautiful and lasts for weeks without chipping. The application process is surprisingly easy and doesn't require any special skills. Number 4. Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream, 3 ounces. Experience moisture that stays with you, even after washing your hands. Our unique formula creates a protective barrier to keep your skin hydrated. This hand cream is enriched with aloe to soothe and nourish your skin. It provides deep hydration without any greasy residue. With 7 moisturizers and 3 essential vitamins, it softens and revitalizes your skin. Enjoy healthier-looking hands with every application. Rest assured, it's been tested by dermatologists and is hypoallergenic. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Enjoy a quick-absorbing, non-greasy feel with a fresh, clean scent. It's perfect for on-the-go hydration. This convenient 3-ounce travel-size bottle is perfect for your bag or pocket. Keep your hands moisturized wherever you go. Join us in our commitment to sustainability. Create a TerraCycle account and recycle your empty packaging. What we like? This hand cream is designed to provide lasting moisture, even after washing your hands. It's formulated with 7 moisturizers and a non-greasy texture for quick absorption. If you have dry hands that need constant hydration throughout the day, especially if you wash your hands frequently, this is the product for you. What people say. The kit includes everything you need for a salon-quality manicure at home. The gloss finish is long-lasting and chip-resistant, keeping your nails looking perfect for weeks. The application process is straightforward and doesn't require any special skills or tools. Number 3. Aceoace Professional Manicure and Pedicure Kit. Introducing a comprehensive personal care kit designed for complete nail care and grooming. It includes essential tools for hand, foot, and facial care, all in one convenient package. Crafted from top-quality stainless steel, these tools offer durability and precision. They are rust-resistant, sharp, and designed for easy, controlled use, even on hard nails. While featuring upgraded, enlarged clippers specifically designed for men's nails, this kit is perfect for everyone. It provides a comfortable and effective grooming experience. This kit comes in a stylish, portable synthetic leather case with a secure closure. Its compact size makes it an ideal travel companion, easily fitting into bags or luggage. With its exquisite appearance and practical functionality, this grooming kit makes a thoughtful gift. It's presented in a giftable box, perfect for holidays and special occasions. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's perfect for everyday use and travel. Keep it in your bag for quick grooming whenever and wherever you need it. What we like? This comprehensive 7-piece set includes all essential grooming tools made from premium stainless steel. It also comes with a stylish and portable travel case. If you're looking for a durable, all-in-one grooming solution for both home and travel, or a thoughtful gift for someone who appreciates quality and convenience, this set is ideal. What people say. The tools are very durable and feel solid, not flimsy like many other sets I've tried. Each piece is sharp, well-made, and easy to use, making grooming quick and effortless. The case is sturdy and keeps everything organized, which is perfect for travel or everyday use. Sharp clippers that cut, not rip your nails off. Great size for travel or carrying in a backpack or glove box. Number 2. Cuccio Naturale Revitalizing Cuticle Oil. Give your cuticles the care they deserve. This vitamin-infused oil deeply penetrates your skin with moisture, preventing peeling and healing damaged nails and hands. Achieves salon-quality results without harsh chemicals. Our oil is formulated with plant-based preservatives and natural ingredients, free from parabens and cruelty. Experience deep hydration for dry, damaged cuticles without a heavy feeling. This grease-free formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin moisturized and shiny. Strengthen your nails and boost their natural shine in just one application. It's perfect for thin nails, promoting renewal and thickness while preventing breakage. Enjoy a luxurious spa treatment in the comfort of your home. Indulge in the delicious scent and salon-quality benefits of this revitalizing oil. What we like. This cuticle oil offers intensive hydration without a heavy residue, and it's formulated without parabens. It works to strengthen nails and repair damaged cuticles. If you desire salon-quality cuticle care at home, have dry or damaged nails, and prefer natural, cruelty-free products, this revitalizing oil is an excellent option. What people say. Large bottle with a nice, precise dropper. Smell is light but fresh and uplifting. Product also absorbs quickly into the skin and doesn't feel greasy. I love how lightweight the oil is, but it is still hydrating on my hands. It absorbs really quickly and doesn't feel super oily or leave a oily film residue, and I love how light the fragrance is. Amazing oil, I absolutely love it. Leaves my hands and cuticles feeling so soft without feeling greasy. I love the bottle, never seen one like it. The bottle makes this product look designer. Number 1. Cuticle Oil Pen, Professional Manicure and Pedicure Accessory. Achieve undeniably gorgeous nails with our uniquely blended cuticle oil. It nourishes, moisturizes, and protects your cuticles and nails, stimulating healthy growth. Rehydrate your cuticles after a manicure and make it last longer. Simply massage the oil over your cuticles and nails for a fresh shine. Protect your nails against trauma and reduce breaks and tears. It helps moisturize and restore damaged nails and cuticles to health. Our blend penetrates deeply, softening cuticles and promoting strong nails. It contains vitamin E to nourish and strengthen. Application is super easy and mess-free with our convenient brush pen. It allows accurate and efficient application without any waste. What we like. This cuticle oil comes in a super easy-to-use, mess-free pen applicator, enriched with vitamin E. It nourishes, moisturizes, and protects cuticles while promoting healthy nail growth. If you're looking for a convenient and effective way to maintain healthy nails and cuticles, especially for touch-ups on the go or to extend the life of your manicure, this pen is perfect. What people say. This cuticle oil moisturizes dry cuticles really well and makes my nails look healthier after just a few uses. The applicator is easy to use and allows for precise application without wasting product. Easy to use, works well, especially helpful in the cold weather. Hands and cuticles crack and dry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.